So now we will see the basic and the important component, that is the breadboard, where you are going to pin all your components. So here it consists of two strips, that is two bus strips which are at the end, which consist of two rows. The next is the terminal strip. Two terminal strips you have, and two at the end you have two bus strips. Now if you see for the bus strips, so now this shows the front side and this part shows the back side. So when you take your bus strips, you have the contacts, like two rows are there, and each contact, each point is nothing but a node where you can pin your components. So now if you see the lateral view, you can see that it is having a straight layer of components. You can see a straight layer of the components. That means all are connected in a series path, and you have a gap in between. This shows that this part of the circuit is intact from this part. So either you can give the connections in this part, or you can give the connections in this other part. You have a gap in between. So if you want to give the connections, either you connect it in the one side. So you can use it for the ground connection or for your supply connection. Now when you move on to your terminal strips, now you have 5 columns, like 60, like you have 5 rows you have, and 60 columns you have. Now each point in this represents a series connection. Now if I am going to give all the pins, it is going to be connected to the same circuit. So this can be inferred from the back side. So if you could see, all are going to be a series connected circuit. So once again I'll come back. You have two bus strips and two terminal strips. Now this bus strip is mainly used for giving your supply and for your ground connections, and each you have two rows, and everywhere each contact is called as a node where you can pin all your components. And here bus strips where you mainly arrange your components, and here all the single point. If I'm going to put it on all these 5